Presenting the Ford 2019 Super Duty F-350 SRW LARIAT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include wheels, 20-inch chrome PVD aluminum with diesel, tough bed spray-in bedliner included, tailgate guard, black box bed tie-down hooks and black bed attachment bolts, electronic locking with 3.55 axle ratio, tires, LT275/65 RX20 EOWL automatic transmission, 4, included, LT275/70 RX18 EBSW automatic transmission, spare tire, voice-activated navigation included, HD and Sirius XM traffic and travel link. Note: Sirius XM traffic and travel link includes a 5-year prepaid subscription. Services are not available in Alaska and Hawaii. FX4 off-road package included. Unique FX4 off-road box decal, off-road specifically tuned shock absorber.